To insert a text box into your document, place your cursor where you want to insert it, then navigate to Insert on the toolbar, and then press Text Box. Here you'll have a number of pre-built-in options that you can choose from. You can also find more text boxes on office.com, or you can draw your own text box. If you navigate to the text box that you want to use, hover over it and then click. This will insert that text box where your cursor was. Click in the text box to add in your own text. You can stylize the text as you would do any other in your document by highlighting it and then going to Home on the top toolbar and then changing the options and styling it how you wish it to be. To edit the text box itself, if you make sure that you've clicked on it to have it selected, and then the Shape Format option will appear on the top toolbar. Here you can see that you can change the text within it, you can add in different effects like a shadow, etc. This is really customizable. You can change the text color, the shadow color, you have a lot of different options. If you just click into the option and then you can see what's available. If you want to remove an effect, if you go back into the text effect options and then see at the top it says no and then whatever that option is. You can also edit the text box shape itself by going over to the Shape Styles menu. There are a number of different templates that you can choose from. If you just click on it, it will change your text box to that shape. You can also change this, customize it, change the shape fill, the shape outline, etc. There's lots of different really customizable options. Just like the text, you have a number of different shape effects, so you can add on shadows, a glow, etc. If you just navigate into the menus and click on the effect that you want to use. Again, if you want to delete that effect, navigate back into the menu and then press on No and whatever the effect was that you'd chosen. To move a text box, hover over the text box itself until you see the cursor change, and then just click and drag the text box to where you wish it to be. Similar to images, you can change the way that the text wraps around your text box. So again, if you navigate to the Wrap Text menu, click on this, you can see the different options that are available there. If you need the text box to be in an exact position, you can use the Position menu. Click on this and then click on the option you wish to use and it will move your text box there. To change the distance that your text wraps around your text box, go to Wrap Text, Other Options, and it will give you the Layout option. Here you can change your distance from text values. And that is how you can work with text boxes within your document.